asuntosykeyhtiö Järvi Mukkula.
Yes. It's amazing too.
You can film. I just ran with you.
Okay. Yeah, but they are going to replace it soon.
Yeah.
Yeah. So
No, we have to bank.
Tanssimäenkatu 14 staircase was at C.
Yeah.
So we have only staircase A left here.
Yeah.
And staircase B as well. It was built in 1967 by Kone with both features. So this is 15091. Yes, these robbers have been 20%. Yeah. Now from the 1st of August, the version A will be gone. This one will be gone from the 14th of October. Staircase B from the 9th of September. Yes. Well, luckily we are filming still.
Yeah.
Niin Mukkula, Lahti, Finland. Anyone there?
Yes, only one right now.
Oh, sorry, okay.
Okay, that's